Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A5x and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app, and right here we are in the standard photo mode. So all we have to do is to open those three bars icon in the right upper corner, so let me tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got this section connected with the timer. We've got three different options, so off, 3 and 10 seconds delay. So let me choose 10 seconds delay, just tap on it, it will be immediately highlighted. Moreover, the timer is notified inside the shutter button, so you can always check whether you've got the timer set or not. So just tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, of course you can turn off the timer in the same way, just tap on the three bars icon and tap on off, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.